Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Davis Way TV. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and jump into a hair haul that I got over the weekend, the past 2 weeks, from Burlington Coat Factory and Sally's. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to do Sally's first because that's where we went last. Okay, so from Sally's, what we got from there was some butterfly clips, and I got the white and black ones. This is just to hold my hair in sections when I'm doing a wash and go or braids, whatever, just to section it off. I also got the Do Fresh to Death wash and go leave-in curl refresher. So I got this. I love the mousse because it works the best, but I got this to revamp my wash and goes or my curls or whatever I'm using, and we're going to give this a try in a different video, so stay tuned for this. Also got some 30 developer hair color developer and a tube of dye. So I'm not dyeing my hair, so that's for my husband's hair. And we also got, this is beard product. We got some Clubman beard balm. This came in a 3-pack. And there's beard conditioning and beard oil. So it did come in a box. And I'll leave the prices to these at the bottom of the video if you guys want to go and grab those. So conditioner, beard balm, and beard oil. Okay? So, got that. Yeah, that was it from Sally's. So that was all that we got from Sally's. And I'm going to go ahead and move right along from what we got from Burlington Coat Factory. So first, I'm going to start off with this sweet almond oil. This one has the price on there, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the prices. This one was $7.99 for this size bottle. It's pretty good because sweet almond oil. So we got that one. And I got these hair scrunchies right here. This was a pack of 20 piece. This is a 20 piece. I've already opened it. And this was $6.99. So we do not sleep on Ross or Burlington Coat Factory. That's what we don't do, okay? Then I found this set here. This was Suave Age Brilliance Conditioner Shampoo. So each bottle was $3.99. The tag is coming off because I had it in the shower, but each bottle was $3.99. You cannot beat that for these sizes. Usually I prefer Aussie, but this right here, this is the OG. This goes back to when I was using Suave back in the late 90s, mid to late 90s. So yeah, I still use this. And each bottle was $3.99. All right. And last here, we have this Scala Brazil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but you guys let me know in the comment box below. But I've been seeing a lot of wash and go or curly hair girls use this. And as of lately, I've been seeing it around my local Burlington Coat Factory. So I want to try it, but they do have different ones. This one is for strength, hydration, and detangling. Okay. So they also have some for like damaged hair. They have some for like growth. They have some for like color treated hair. So when you purchase these, the bottles are different, like the jugs. This one was obviously the orange color. They had a red one. I was gonna get the red one because I do have color in my hair, but I prefer the strength and hydration. I love a good hydrated curl and a detangled curl. So I went with this one. But like I said, they have a green tub, they have a red tub, they have a pink tub, they have a blue tub. And right here, it'll show you like what that one is used for. And then everything else is like somewhat written in a different language. But right here, it tells you what oils is in there. This one is infused with a blend of oils, argan oil, coconut oil, and martharin extract. Yeah, so this one is a 2-in-1. This is a treatment cream plus leave-in. So you can do it as a leave-in, you can use it as a pre-poo, you can use it as a deep conditioner. So the other day before I did this wash and go, I did use it as a pre-poo, so before I shampooed, and I did use it for a leave-in like a week ago. So this was the last one that we got from Burlington Coat Factory, and this one was $5.99 for this size. So I did like the slip and how it was working from the 2 times I did use it. So this might be my normal go-to for leave-in or deep conditioner because of the size. Usually the smaller containers that I buy, that's usually like Mael or different other one, they only have like the regular kind of like around this size. I go through these too quick. So I will continue to purchase those. So guys, that was my haul for today, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a family member that you're watching Davis Way TV. All right, guys, bye.